Hello, I'm Wed Thur and I'm the Outreach Coordinator for Grossmont College. In this video, we're going to show you where to go to complete the online orientation and where to go to complete the online Abbreviated Educational Plan. So let's get to it. We'll begin by going to Grossmont College's homepage by typing grossmont.edu. At the top of the right corner, you'll notice the Web Advisor link. Click on that. On this page, you can log in. If you have any problems logging in, you can contact Admissions and Records. Once you log in successfully, click on the Students menu. At the bottom left corner, you'll notice Step 1, Online Orientation. Click on that. You will then need to continue the online orientation by clicking that online orientation hyperlink. Choose the version you'd like to complete the online orientation. You can either choose the English version or the accessible version. In this case, we will click on the English version. You will now be directed to the online orientation. In order to meet the requirements, you have to complete the first 3 modules: your first steps, academic goals, and college success. However, we encourage you to complete all 6 modules as there is pertinent information in each one of them. Once we've completed the first 3 modules, we've completed the online orientation. However, you can always come back to continue with the optional modules. We will now go back to Web Advisor to complete the rest of the steps. Once you're back on the Web Advisor page, click on the Students menu again. Under the same section, click on Step 3, Advising. This will create your Abbreviated Educational Plan. When you're on the Step 3 Advising page on Web Advisor, click on Online Advising. You will then be redirected to Grossmont College's Abbreviated Student Education Plan Online Assistant. To begin, you can click Start. With the Abbreviated Educational Plan Online Assistant, you can choose what best suits your educational goals. Once you've completed the Abbreviated Educational Plan, you can email it to yourself and then exit the system. Remember, these decisions are not set in stone. We recommend that you speak to a counselor regarding these decisions. Now you've completed the online orientation and the online advising. If you need help understanding what classes to take, make sure to make an appointment with our friendly and knowledgeable counselors. They're waiting for you. For additional information, make sure to check out the rest of our tutorial videos, such as how to register for classes, how to buy a parking permit, and how to pay your tuition and fees. All the information will be listed in the description box below. Have a great semester!